Recently, I received a lovely donation of several items from a follower, one of them being her mother, June's wedding dress, and some other items as well, including these lovely hand crocheted gloves. I just think that is so amazing that people are able to make things like that. Enclosed, she had a lovely card, which I just always find so touching. She shared some history with the couple, June and Eldon, being married in August 21st of 1955. Also enclosed is this red party dress that I guess June wore in the 1950s. It needs a little bit of work to repair this front bodice area here, but I think that it's just a classic party dress. Very cool. She shared with me that Eldon passed away in 1978. So some of these items in here are from June's second wedding, which happened in 1983. And this hat here is one of the items. It's got some pearls on it and that cute little short veiling in the back there. And in addition to the veiling is a purse. It's either can be a clasp or clutch type purse with that hinged inside with the strap on it. And then it has flowers and pearls and whatnot. And I do believe I think that June made that. I guess she was a very talented seamstress. And this here is the headpiece she wore for the 1955 wedding. It's this darling crown-style headpiece with little bits of net and the kind of peaked things with pearls there. I think that is so sweet. She also sent some lovely pieces of lace. These actually came from France, and these were left over from Catherine's wedding dress that June had sewn. And now for June's wedding dress. There it is. It's a ballet T-length. Classic 1950s fit and flare with the lace, kind of the illusion neckline with that little collar I think is so sweet, and then the full skirt with the lace motifs on it. You can see how the shine of the satin shows through that lace. That's so pretty. It has oxidized, but I will get to that shortly. But first, some pictures. Look at June with her bridesmaids. June just by herself there at the church, and then at the reception at the Surf Hotel. How cool are those photos? So I did 20 hours of soaking and rinsing, and then on that headpiece, I did my little peroxide baking soda trick, trying to cover the metal pieces so that I didn't get any rusting, and then I restitched that, and that perked it right up. Added some new tulle, and there is that ready to go now. And look at the dress brightened up beautifully. I just love being able to take these yellowed things and turn them white again. I did some repairs to the broken parts of the lace and replaced all the buttons, and now it is clean and ready once again for another special day 71 years later.